Hello and welcome. I am Maestra teacher and this is my Spanish channel. If you are an English speaker or just trying to learn Spanish as a second language, then this is the channel for you. In today's lesson, we will be discussing all the vocabulary related to winter time, or in Spanish, el invierno. Wintertime is the coldest season of the year. It's the time where the nights are longer, and of course we need winter clothing. Many animals hibernate, and we get tons of trips to Starbucks for that warm coffee or hot chocolate. I will remind you now that in my class, I would like for you to actively participate. You're going to see a picture, you're going to read the word, and you have to repeat after me. Look, listen, repeat. The more you repeat, the better you'll get at that Spanish language. Winter in Spanish, el invierno. Say it. El invierno. El invierno. Say it. Good. Cold, or to be cold in Spanish, frío, with accent on the I. Frío. You don't say frío, you say frío. Snow in Spanish, la nieve. Say it. La nieve. A snowman in Spanish, el muñeco de nieve. El muñeco de nieve. Some people also say el hombre de nieve, but it's more common to say el muñeco, which means like a doll. El muñeco de nieve. A snowball in Spanish, la bola de nieve. La bola de nieve. Snowflake in Spanish, el copo de nieve. El copo de nieve. Skiing in Spanish, esquiar. Esquiar. And the ski is, we say esquí, or if it's skiing, then esquiar. Ice in Spanish, el hielo. Remember that H in Spanish is silent, so we don't say el hielo. You are supposed to just say el hielo, like the H is not even there. El hielo, say it. Ice skating in Spanish will be el patinaje sobre hielo. Patinaje means skating, and of course, hielo is ice, so el patinaje sobre hielo. Say it. Good. A winter storm, we call those la tormenta de nieve. Tormenta is storm in Spanish. La tormenta de nieve. Good. Below zero or below freezing, we say that bajo cero. Bajo cero. Temperature in Spanish, la temperatura. La temperatura. A sled in Spanish, el trineo or el tobogán. There's two ways of saying it. Let's talk about some of the clothing you wear in winter. A winter hat. Hat in Spanish, la gorra. La gorra. A scarf in Spanish, la bufanda. La bufanda. A coat in Spanish, el abrigo. El abrigo. Gloves in Spanish, los guantes. Los guantes. And if it's mittens, you can say los mitones. Boots in Spanish, las botas. And if you want to say winter boots, you will say las botas de nieve. Some of the sickness that you can get during winter time, of course, the flu in Spanish, la gripe, la gripe. If to cough in Spanish, it means toser, cough, toser. The infamous COVID-19 in Spanish, el COVID-19. 19 is 19 in Spanish. We call it the same way, COVID-19. El COVID-19. To sneeze in Spanish, estornudar. estornudar. Say it. Good. Now let's practice a few phrases or sentences that you guys can use to impress your friends and family the next time you go together skiing. If you want to say you're cold, in Spanish you will say, tengo frío. Tengo means I am or I have. Cold is frío. Tengo frío. Say it. Good. If you want to express that you want a hot chocolate, you would say, quiero un chocolate caliente. Quiero means I want. Hot chocolate, chocolate, caliente. Quiero chocolate caliente. One, if you want to express that you need some sort of winter clothing, you would say, necesito el abrigo y los guantes. I need my coat and my gloves. Necesito el abrigo or mi abrigo y los guantes. Necesito el abrigo y los guantes. Winter Wonderland in Spanish, el paraíso invernal. El paraíso invernal. There is not a direct translation for Winter Wonderland, so we just say el paraíso invernal. Invierno. So it could be el paraíso invernal or las maravillas de o del invierno. And one more, if you want to express that winter is your favorite season, you would say, el invierno es mi estación favorita. El invierno es mi estación favorita. Thank you so much for practicing today's lesson with me. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want to. And I'll see you in my next lesson. ¡Hasta luego!